In one corner, the mini AVR setup, wired, modular, brutally powerful. In the other, the sleek all-in-one soundbar, wireless, simple, deceptively immersive. Both promise Dolby Atmos. Both claim gaming dominance. But only one truly delivers cinema-grade sound and next-gen performance in real-world rooms. Let's settle this. What is a mini AVR setup in 2025? Mini AVRs are compact audio receivers with full 7.2 or 5.1.2 channel support, HDMI 2.1 features, and the flexibility to pair with any passive speaker system. Think Onkyo TX, SR3100, Denon AVR, S670H, or the Yamaha RX, S70A, power-packed receivers in a smaller chassis that fit modern entertainment centers. You connect wired speakers, including ceiling-mounted Atmos modules, and build a custom layout with true, physical surround sound. Core strengths: true channel-based surround, HDMI 2.1, 4K per 120 Hz, VRR, ALLM. Modular expandability, full-range audio with better separation. What is an all-in-one Dolby Atmos soundbar? These systems bundle the main bar, wireless subwoofer, and sometimes wireless rear speakers. Examples: Samsung Q990D, JBL Bar 1300X, Sony HT, A7000 with rears. They simulate Dolby Atmos using up-firing speakers, digital processing, and room calibration, all in a neat, no-wires-required box. Core strengths: plug-and-play simplicity, compact and stylish, real-time auto-calibration, great for apartments and small rooms. Sound quality, discrete power versus digital magic. Mini AVR setup, real channels equals real object movement. Front, surround, height, all physically placed. Custom speaker quality means better mids, highs, imaging. All-in-one soundbar. Digital Atmos can sound impressive, but it's reflected sound. Up-firing drivers depend heavily on ceiling type. Rear speaker performance varies model to model. Verdict: if you want true 3D sound that punches through the room and lets you hear footsteps behind or rain above, Mini AVR wins. Gaming power: who rules for PS5, Xbox Series X? Mini AVR system. HDMI 2.1 pass-through. Flawless 4K per 120 Hz, VRR, ALLM. Better directional audio in competitive shooters. Custom audio presets for games. All-in-one soundbar. Some models support HDMI 2.1 in Game Pro modes, like Samsung. Slight lag in processing can occur. Positional audio often depends on virtual effects. Verdict: for low latency and high-precision audio tracking, Mini AVR is the clear choice for serious gamers. Setup and flexibility: who's easier? Who's smarter? All-in-one soundbar. Takes 5 to 10 minutes to set up. Auto pairs wireless speakers. Wall-mount friendly. Mini AVR. Requires speaker wire, placement, calibration. Total control over speaker types, distances, EQ. Takes more time, but far more customizable. Verdict: if you're a plug-and-play type, soundbar wins. But if you're in for the long game and want to tune your theater, AVR wins. Upgradability: future-proof or fixed path. Mini AVR. Swap speakers anytime. Add a second subwoofer, ceiling speakers, or zone audio. Compatible with future tech via firmware updates. Soundbar. Limited to manufacturer ecosystem. Some allow additional sub or rears. You're locked into a what you bought is what you get model. Verdict: AVR equals infinite path to future upgrades. Soundbar equals capped ceiling. Room calibration and smart features. Mini AVR. Dirac Live, Odyssey, YPO calibration. Multi-zone audio, app control, smart assistants. Soundbar. Auto calibration mic. Google Assistant, Alexa, AirPlay 2 built-in. Verdict: AVR still leads in tuning depth. Soundbars are catching up in convenience. Price versus performance, which delivers more? Mini AVR setup example. AVR, $500. 5.1.2 speaker pack, $400, $600. Total, $1,000. All-in-one soundbar. Samsung Q990D/JBL 1300X. $1,200 to $1,500. Verdict: you pay more upfront for soundbars, and you get convenience. But AVRs give you custom sound power that outlasts every trend. Final verdict: which one wins for you? Choose the Mini AVR setup if you want real Dolby Atmos, you play FPS or competitive games, You want to upgrade over time. You enjoy customization and top-tier sound. Choose the all-in-one soundbar if you want fast, easy setup. You live in a small space. You care about simplicity and style. You prefer convenience over full control. Closing, the sound decision in 2025. If you want the cleanest install with solid performance, the latest soundbars are fantastic. But if you're chasing true cinema sound and gaming domination, a mini AVR system gives you more of everything: realism, flexibility, and future-ready power. Right Arrow, want help building the perfect mini AVR setup for under $900? Our next video breaks it down, speaker by speaker. Don't miss it.